USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers right here and sign up with them as per your country and start a demo account because I want you to have a separate broker account if you want to trade with my signals to make sure that you know that how accurate my signals are. If you mix up everything and you trade with multiple signals from multiple people, you wouldn't have any idea what about the accuracy rate, okay? So start a new broker account, go and check out these things, and you will get the signals from me on Telegram in the coming future. So make sure you're connected there as well. So do all of that, subscribe, like, and coming back to the chart here, starting with top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is what we are a downtrend. Okay. In weekly, we have two possibilities. Either we can continue going down or maybe we can continue the uptrend, but nobody gives a shit what's going to happen in weekly. But I'm just telling you for the sake of the analysis. So you can see here that this red candle did not break any previous low. This is my assumption for now, okay? So I think in weekly is too far, okay? But anyways, in weekly, I think we have started the uptrend. Then this is a pullback because this did not break this low, okay? So uptrend, pullback, and now we should break this previous high in weekly. But weekly is bullshit, okay? We need to worry about weekly. Weekly, we are down. That's all we know, okay? In daily, what we have in daily, okay? Daily, same thing. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. Why am I calling it pullback? Because it did not break this low. Okay, so if you draw your line from here till here, where is my line? Right here. So you see, this previous red candle did not break this previous low. Okay, and then we are going up, right? So I think that we will continue going up. It will take time, it will take days, but yeah, I think we are in the uptrend in Delhi and we will close above the EMA in the coming days, maybe this week, maybe next week, time will tell. So when shall we enter and what do we do? Okay, so right now in 4 hour, when you can't find the entry in Delhi, okay, for example, yesterday's candle did not make any sense to me. It was a doji, okay? So yeah, if you knew other dollar pairs, then you would have known that it's gonna go up. For example, if I knew that euro is gonna go down, then that means USDCHF is supposed to go up. Okay, so if you can correlate dollar pairs, then you wouldn't know what to do. Okay, but as per this doji, we did not have a clear signal yesterday. So we have when you can't get proper entry signal from daily chart, then you move on to 4 hour. Normally people will say look for entries in 4 hour. They are right as well. But what I do is I personally take a look into daily chart first. If I find the entry signal in daily, then I don't go for 4 hour. But if I don't find the entry signal in daily chart, then I go for 4 hour, just like that. Okay. So now here, what is our entry signal? Okay, you have to understand we have made new lows. Okay. We have made new lows. Possibilities that pullback is over and we're gonna go down again, okay, in 4 hour. So rejection is already coming from the EMI. Now, what was your entry point? You're late actually, but you are also on the time because if we get another red candle which will eat this blue candle, so let's say in next 8 hours we'll have a red candle which will eat this blue candle. That's where you will enter sell. Okay, but for now, if you wanted to go for buy, then this was the candle where you were supposed to enter buy, because I would not enter buy here because I would wait for this red candle to be eaten by the blue candle, which has happened here. Okay, so if you enter buy here, it's too late now. This trade is gone, but you're too early because the rejection is coming. So I believe that we will continue the downtrend in 4 hour, hopefully. Okay, so two situations: if the rejection comes, then next candle, if that's a red candle which eats this blue candle, then go short. If not, then wait for the blue candle to close above the EMI. Okay, if the next blue candle closes above the EMI, then wait for the pullback and then wait for blue candle for confirmation to go long. Too much to talk, right? For free, paying me anything, right? So let's shut up. Subscribe, like, share the video, join the Telegram and all that, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.